Every time you set a stop loss on your trade, it always gets hit. But when you don't use one, your trade ends up getting liquidated. Folks, are you dealing with the same problem? In this video, I'm going to reveal the truth about trading strategies and why no trader ever shares the top secret tactics used by hidden corners of the internet traders. Just like you, I was searching for answers, spending countless sleepless nights trying to solve my problem. One day, I stumbled across the deep online networks and uncovered the hidden truths about trading strategies. But honestly, it was disappointing to realize how many traders out there are making false promises, claiming you can earn thousands per day just to rack up views. It's all lies, and I'm here to cut through the noise. I don't care about keeping secrets, so I'm going to break it all down for you with 4 major gears of trading. In the first 2 gears, we'll focus on the right trading mindset and strategy. In the 3rd gear, I'll share a bonus method that I personally use. Finally, in the 4th and last gear, I'll reveal the most hidden truths and the real psychology behind trading success. Let's get started. Gear number 1, mindset. Alright, so here's the deal. The Stoic mindset is all about understanding that there's stuff you can control and stuff you can't. And instead of wasting energy on the things outside your control, you focus on maintaining your peace, staying strong, and acting with purpose, no matter the storm. Now, take a moment to think about George Washington during the American Revolutionary War. He at Valley Forge. It's winter. The soldiers are freezing, sick, and running low on food. Morale is shot. But Washington? He's not freaking out. He doesn't lose his cool. He knows the bigger picture, and he keeps pushing forward, ends up winning. Now, let's bring that right into trading. Just like in Washington's day, the markets are unpredictable. You can't control them. You can't stop a bad trade from happening or avoid every loss. But what you can control is your reaction. All right, let me start by saying this. Trade to lose? Sounds wild, right? Stay with me though. I promise I'll explain. Now, here's the thing. What if I told you that the key to becoming a better trader isn't just about making money? What if it's about how you manage your mindset and emotions? Because that's really what this is all about. If you can learn to focus on the process and not just the profits, you'll start making smarter, more calculated decisions. It's not about winning every time. In fact, when you're mentally prepared to handle both wins and losses, you free yourself from the emotional roller coaster of trading. So, what do I mean by that? Well, if you go into trading with the mindset that you can handle a loss, you're not going to freak out when it happens. You won't be paralyzed by fear or regret. Instead, you'll be able to step back, look at the situation, learn from it, and move on. It's about resilience, not just results. Only trade money that you can afford to lose. And I don't mean that as a way to encourage reckless behavior. If you're putting money into trades, understand that losses are a natural part of the process. When you accept that, it's easier to stay calm and keep making the best decisions you can. 2. Strategy. You've probably heard of an indicator called ATR, which stands for Average True Range. But what if I told you that with just a few small adjustments to the standard strategy, you could actually get more out of this indicator? Stick with me, because in a bit, I'm going to reveal a little secret strategy that can make this tool work for you in a new way. First things first. Let's head over to TradingView. In the search bar, type in ATR and select the indicator. Now, here's where it gets interesting. ATR helps us determine the best stop loss. So here's what you need to do. Place your stop loss line as usual and take note of the value of your stop loss. For example, let's say mine is 94,230. Next, move your cursor over the ATR value at that point. For me, the ATR value is 1,746. Now, here's where the adjustment comes in. Subtract the ATR value from the stop loss value. If we subtract the value of stop loss line with the average true range's signal price, we get 92,484. This is not your stop loss. You have to subtract more $10 from this. Now 92,474, this is your stop loss. Gear 3, the bonus, boss method. There are countless strategies out there for trading, and while they all have their merits, I recommend you start by watching this video, where I explain every single trading strategy in detail. Once you've absorbed all that information, grab a pen and a notebook, because this is where it gets interesting. In one of my previous videos, I covered 22 trading strategies. I want you to study each one carefully. Once you've got a solid understanding of them, come back and watch this section. Now, here's the key. You're going to need to set up different trading setups. With your current account, you can open multiple browser windows or tabs and apply up to 3 indicators at a time. Once you've set up the different views, go ahead and apply all of those indicators and tactics to your chart. After setting everything up, take note of what each indicator is showing you. Some of these indicators may give you false signals, though this is an estimate, not a guarantee. The point is, most of them will give you some form of signal. Your job is to combine them, analyze your chart, and use the information to make a trade. If you apply the Gear 2 strategy I explained earlier, it will only make your results even more effective. This method, which I call the bonus boss method, is something I personally use to refine my trading approach. If you'd like me to create a separate, detailed video on this topic, just let me know in the comments. 4. The hidden truth. Now, I've asked my friend Lena to come and share something important with you.
All right, hey folks, I'm Lena, and I'm here to reveal a rare secret about trading. First, I want you to take a deep breath, sit back, and relax. Now listen carefully. Unfortunately, there's no one in this world who can predict the exact moment when a cryptocurrency, stock, or Forex price will change. Here's the thing. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning no one can control it. Sure, news and events can influence the price, but that doesn't guarantee anything. Everyone takes risks based on their own research and analysis. All indicators reflect the average of past price movements, but they can't give you an exact prediction of the future price action. So yeah, sometimes it comes down to a little bit of luck. I'll catch you later.
Now, as Lena explains, I was a bit down the first time I heard this, but hey folks, it's the truth. We can't change that, but here's the thing we can do. Live with the truth, stay focused, and keep learning. I'm here with you to break things down and help you navigate this journey. So, don't worry, and stay chill. If you'd like me to make more spicy videos like this one, just let me know in the comments. What do you think about this hidden truth in trading? Share your thoughts with me down below. Before we wrap up, I want Lena to say a few words to you.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Disclaimer: trading in cryptocurrencies, stocks, and Forex involves significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. The strategies and techniques discussed in this video are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always conduct your own research and seek professional guidance before making any trading decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, and understand that market conditions can change rapidly. The creator of this video is not responsible for any financial loss or damages incurred from following the content shared. Also, make sure to check out this video for even more insights. Bye.